Hey guys, as you can see, I have another Animal Jam character. This is the tiger. And if you haven't seen my other video, it was an opening video of this one. I only have this one, and I also have a wolf, but it's not on here. It's not these type. But I got this one, and it's cute. Welcome to my channel. If you don't know this channel, I'm Genevieve. I do a lot of entertainment and opening videos. And this is an Animal Jam character. I love the game. If you play it, tell me in the comments down below if you play Animal Jam. My username is Geno909. Just got the perfect value of the background. Oh, and you'll see the thing about this is that it's the light up ring shows like patterns that you can't see on the tiger. So it's called the Sparkle Tiger. Get out the ring. And then we have the exclusive gift redeem code. It's really cute, so yeah. It gives you prizes if you have Animal Jam and you get this. You can scratch and redeem. Every Animal Jam like toy comes with this, so you can scratch and redeem and you'll get a prize on the game. I have the game, so I liked it. So, what? Okay, I can't see it that well, but yeah. So it's a cute little tiger. Put on his, I don't know what these are. Tell me in the comments down below. What are these? Tell me in the comments down below what are these things. I don't know what they're, like glasses? On top of your face? What? Okay. Put on the wings. Okay. He's a cute little tiger. She's a cute little tiger. And without it, you can see she has hearts here, 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 and here, here, and even on her chest. She's super pretty. And I like that it's blue because blue is my favorite color. Oh, right there. And I think that's pretty much all. Oh, no, they has it in the back right here. More hearts. But that's cute. Tiger to our other two friends. Ooh, a DJ little room. That's so cool. It's not little, but it's cool. Hello there. Oh, hi. You're welcome to come in anytime. Have you been here before? Nope. That's why you don't really look familiar to me. Are you new? Well, that's great. We can give you a tour around here. It's very cool. We have our DJ raccoon over here. Sup? I got my ways, and I got my DJ ways. I got me. You want to hear some songs? Sure. Let me just press that. Ooh. Yep, she got some rad music. It's really cool. Cool too. I like it. I mean, it's really cool. I like it. Yeah, I like to listen to her songs. When I was new here, I was just amazed by the music and by the look. Let's listen to it again. Thank you guys for coming. Make sure you smash that subscribe button, click that notifications bell, and make sure you comment down below what videos you wanted to do next. See you on Sunday.